Welcome. In this lesson, we are going to derive the sum and difference formulas for the tangent function. Specifically, we want to find a formula for the tangent of the sum of two angles, A and B. We will do this by using the formulas we already know for sine and cosine. To begin, let's recall the sum formulas for sine and cosine, as these are the building blocks we will need. The sine of the quantity A plus B is equal to sine a cosine B plus cosine a sine B, and for cosine, the cosine of the quantity A plus B is equal to cosine a cosine B minus sine a sine B. Make sure you are comfortable with these before we move forward. We also need the fundamental definition of the tangent function. Remember that for any angle theta, tangent theta is defined as the ratio of sine theta to cosine theta. In terms of a right triangle, this corresponds to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Now, let's apply that definition to our sum of angles. If we want to find the tangent of the quantity A plus B, we can write it as the sine of the quantity A plus B divided by the cosine of the quantity A plus B. This gives us a starting point to use our known formulas. Next, we substitute the expansion formulas we recalled earlier. In the numerator, we replace sine of A plus B with sine a cosine B plus cosine a sine B. In the denominator, we replace cosine of a plus B with cosine a cosine B minus sine a sine B. Now we have an expression entirely in terms of sines and cosines of individual angles. This expression looks complicated, but we can simplify it into a much cleaner form involving tangents. The trick is to turn these sines and cosines into tangents. To do this, we will divide every single term in both the numerator and the denominator by the product cosine a cosine B. Let's see what happens when we do this division term by term. In the numerator, the first term has cosine B cancel out, leaving sine A over cosine A. The second term has cosine A cancel out, leaving sine B over cosine B. In the denominator, the first term cancels completely to equal 1. The second term becomes sine A over cosine A multiplied by sine B over cosine B. Replacing all the sine over cosine ratios with tangents gives us our final elegant formula. The tangent of a plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B, all divided by 1 minus the product of tangent A and tangent B. What if we have a difference, a minus B? We don't need to start over. We can just view a minus B as a plus negative B using the fact that tangent is an odd function, meaning tangent of negative B equals negative tangent B. We simply change the signs in our sum formula. Here are the two formulas side by side. For the sum, the numerator has a plus sign and the denominator has a minus sign. For the difference, the signs are flipped. The numerator has a minus sign and the denominator has a plus sign. Notice the pattern. The sign in the numerator always matches the original operation. Let's apply this to find the exact value of tangent 75 degrees. We know 75 is 45 plus 30. Using our sum formula, we get tangent 45 plus tangent 30 over 1 minus their product. Since tangent 45 is 1 and tangent 30 is 1 over the square root of 3, we substitute these values. After simplifying the algebra, we arrive at the exact answer, 2 plus the square root of 3. To summarize, we successfully derived the tangent addition and subtraction formulas using just the definition of tangent and the sine and cosine rules. These formulas are powerful tools for solving trigonometric equations and simplifying expressions. Thank you for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.